Hi guys, and today we're playing another Demolition Derby free video for you all. So this time we're doing 2 Demolition Derbies. So this should go by kind of quick, I suppose. And I'm for cars here, I'm gonna go with Super for this one. Here we go, and I'm first off, there we go. Now should have run better. Oh my lord, we're getting crazy already. Ooh, that was kind of a good hit. Oh, if that was not behind a dead car, that would have been a lot of damage. Wait, that guy just go flying in the air for a second there? I think he did. Oh my lord, I keep missing him. Hi guys, how are y'all doing today? I'm just gonna take you out real quick. A freaking course. Oh, not a good start on this one. I'm gonna take this car. Oh well, here we go on this map. I remember this map. Oh, okay, avoid him at all cost. And most of the stuff seems to be going on in this area right here. Ooh, I was not meaning to hit you, but okay, whatever. Ooh, that was a pretty good hit. Now, our cars are dropping like flies here. There's already 3 cars left in the arena. So it's gonna get interesting. We'll make that 2 cars gonna sideswipe someone and they died. Killer here. Boom. Oh man, I thought that would kill him. We seem to be both pretty close to... Yes! I win! I may have gotten second in this little, like, series, but I got first in the entire tournament. So that makes me the winner. Alright, I'll see you next time for the next tournament.